Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the Edupedia word. Well, this is a small video which I am doing for downloading and installing Eclipse on Windows. Well, Eclipse is a IDE in which you can develop and execute your Java code. It has various features in which you can easily compile and debug your code. So this is a link to download the Eclipse IDE. This will be very helpful. So instead of writing whole code in a notepad, if you use Eclipse IDE, then there are some piece of code that Eclipse will write for you itself. If there is a compiler error, then just even before compiling your code, the Eclipse will let you know. And it is also having various other features where you can add plugin and thus will be very useful and helpful in future. Okay, let's see how can we download it. Just click on this link. Okay, I have opened this website of eclipse.org downloads page, and over here you can see that there are various versions of Eclipse available. Well, the latest one that is available is Eclipse Neon, which is available in 32 and 64-bit. Over here it is showing the 64-bit, so just click on that. If your machine is 64-bit, then you're ready to go. Even if it is not, then you can search it on this website, and there are other various links given to download. So I'm just going to click on this link to download the Eclipse, and yeah, it will take some time to get it downloaded, asking me whether it's safe to save it. So I'm just clicking on save. So I think it will take about a minute to download it. Once it is downloaded, we'll just unzip and install this file. Okay, so Eclipse has downloaded. Now we can run it. So here in the browser, it's asking me. It has finished downloading and is giving me an option to run it. So I'm just clicking on it, or you can just double click on that exe file which you have downloaded. Okay, so you can see we have got a pop-up of Eclipse installer. So we have launched installation of Eclipse. Now this process will take about, you can say, 5 minutes. Okay, now it is giving me an option for downloading the Eclipse. These are various versions which are available to download the Eclipse. So you can see we have Eclipse IDE for Java developers, for Java EE developers, PHP developers, C, C++, Android, and so on. So what is the use of doing that is it may contain some additional features that Java EE developer needs, but being a Java developer, we don't need. So I'm just able to, so I'm going to just download Eclipse IDE for Java developers. It is asking me the installation folder. So I'm going to install it in C user Deepika Eclipse Java Neon, and I'm willing to create a shortcut. So about 70% of installation is done, 30% is remaining. So I got a message that installation process is taking longer than usual. Whether it's normal, if your internet speed is slow, then this could occur. It will take some time. So let's wait and let it be installed. Yes, now it's kind of almost done. I think, yeah, it's done. So now it's saying us to launch. So let's launch the Eclipse. It's opening up Eclipse Neon. So Neon is the latest version of Eclipse available, and you can see over here a shortcut of Eclipse Neon is also created. It is asking me which workspace I want to open. By default, it is giving me this workspace. I am going to go with that, and let's click on OK. So you can just ignore that message and click on OK. It was just telling me that earlier I have opened that workspace in some other version of Eclipse. So it is asking me for the compatibility check, which I ignored. So here Eclipse is opened. Now you can simply create a new project by going on File, New Project. You can give the name whatever you want. I'm giving the name Test. Click on Next. And it's a simple Java project, so I'm just clicking on Finish. So my new project Test has been created, and I can start creating my classes in this. So just to show you, I'm going to create a test class. I'm creating a main method in that, and I'm going to print, and I'm printing hello world. Well, it should run now. Yes, so I got my output. Yeah, that's it about the installation of Eclipse. I hope you'll be able to do that now.